Hi, we're at the DALO Industry Days 2025 in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I am very pleased now to be with Naval Group in front of that very nice looking artist impression of FDI Frigate in action. We are meeting with Guillaume Weisrock, Vice President of Sales for Europe and North America at Naval Group, to find out more about the ongoing campaigns of this next generation frigate in Northern Europe. Guillaume, good morning. Great to see you.
Good morning. Great to see you too. Thank you for being here.
So you are here exhibiting at DALO Industry Days for the very first time with Naval Group. You are showcasing the FDI. Can you tell us more about why are you presenting the FDI here in Denmark?
So today, yes, indeed, we are. It's the very first time that Naval Group is taking part and exhibiting in DALO, and we are very proud and honored to be here. Why are we here? It's quite simple. As you know, Denmark is ambitioning to acquire new frigates within their long-term fleet plan. And while this ongoing process is being clarified by Danish authorities, we would like here to be able to demonstrate that we have a proven and ongoing program and about to be delivered frigates. And on top of that, try to develop new and enhance our relationship with the Danish industry in order to be able to involve them in the construction and in the maintenance of these frigates.
You are showing this again very nice artist impression of, it looks like Royal Danish Navy FDIs in action. Can you share a comment about this poster?
Yes, we wanted to illustrate through this showcase the FDI in action, not only in the air defense mode, that is the main requirement that we have understood from Danish authorities, their main ambition, but as well also the capacities of dealing with anti-submarine threats. It's an all-in-one truly multi-mission frigates that can address without any compromise, of course, long-range air defense and theater anti-submarine defense. And everything within the context of operation of Danish navies, which is high north, which is North Atlantic, which is close to Greenland, of course, but at the same time, thanks to the compactness of the ship, being able as well to operate in the Baltic Sea.
Very well, Guillaume. In addition to Denmark, as we reported in the recent past at navalnews.com, you're also promoting the FDI in Sweden, and that's in the bigger frame of increased defense cooperation between France and Sweden, with France intending to procure GlobalEye surveillance aircraft, maybe CB-90 boats. So maybe the French government or French defense or DG is hopeful that Sweden could procure high-value item like the FDI.
As for our topic, which is exclusively the frigate, we have been asked by FMV to supply for information. As for the global frame, I leave it to French and Sweden authorities to comment on that.
Very well, Guillaume. If we take a closer look, a closer step and a close look to this good-looking FDI scale model, it shows good flexibility of the platform, because this shows a different configuration compared to the French Navy configuration. You mentioned it briefly earlier in the frame of the Danish potential requirement, how the FDI could fulfill the needs of the Royal Danish Navy. What about Sweden? How is the FDI design, in your opinion, adapted to their specific needs?
Yeah, the design of the FDI, originally speaking, is based on the request of the French Navy. And the French Navy operates all around the world, all major places, including high north, including North Atlantic, as well as Pacific and Indian Ocean. So it's truly an oceanic vessel, truly capable of operating at high sea states in the high north and being totally efficient in any domain warfare without any compromise. Air defense, anti-surface, as well as anti-submarine things. And in that regards, we do feel confident that this true fully multi-mission first-rank frigate can answer the needs of Denmark as well as Sweden. And of course, it's an ongoing program. It's an about-to-be-delivered program with the capacity of building and delivering 2 ships per year. So meeting also the expectation of those countries to be delivered quick and fast. And on top of that, if I may add, it also leverages, of course, the French Navy expertise, but also the availability, the rate of availability that is around 80% for each ship. So it's more than a ship, it's a truly capable ship with a high level of availability on which Naval Group is totally practical and flexible to embark Danish industry on a local basis to make sure that there's local construction as well as local maintenance.
Lastly, Guillaume, a word on the very advanced sensor and weapon systems fitted on board the platform?
It's a brand new generation of frigate, leveraging on the legacy of the frame, of course, with a combat system that is combat proven for air defense, based on the famous Aster, improved with a Seafire from the radar from Thales. So the whole air defense system is high level, state of the art, without any compromise, of course, with the SW suite that has proven its high capabilities in North Atlantic on frame. So, in my opinion, it's a good combination. It's a all-in-one multi-mission frigate that can address every needs.
Guillaume, this scale model features different anti-ship missiles compared to the exocet found on board the French Navy ones.
Yes, Xavier, you're an excellent observer. As you pointed out, this model is equipped with the NSM missiles from Kongsberg to meet the expectation of the Danish Navy that has recently bought this type of missiles. And for Naval Group, as a system integrator, it's a no-brainer to integrate this missile on board the FDI.
Very well, Guillaume. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Xavier.